Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a visualizer application. So you can just make any music to play, and you can make a visualizer, and you can just make a video by this, and you can just make a visualizer video output by playing the music. So, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So download the visualization video maker from the Play Store. It's one of the best visualization music video maker. So this is, first of all, you just load the audio. Click on this audio and just load it. Just click on this and you can just change the audio, and click on the background. If you just needed you can just select the images to make it as a background. Here the presets. So here you can find different type of music waves. So this is a default wave, and you have a lot of different type of wave. My favorite was this, and also there is a different type of themes actually show. You can see it's like a demo 1, demo 2, like that. It's actually going on, and you have a full customization in this music visualization. So you have a option to change the visualizer. You can see everything was so unique. You can easily preview, and you can just also change the color pattern. You have a full access to change the color pattern. If you just need a blue color, violet color, purple color, whatever color you just needed, you can just change. Then here you have can change the style of the visualizer. It's a super customizable option. Just click on the create video option. So here you have option to save to the download. You can just change the folder. Click on next. Now click on the start process, so it will be processed, and you can just save it on your folder. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super unique application. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.